आप सभी का अरोमा साइंस क्लास में स्वागत करता हूं। आज का विषय है न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन। न्यूटन का गति का दूसरा नियम। न्यूटन फुल नेम आइजैक न्यूटन, 1642 to 1727. Newton was born in 1642 in Woolsthorpe in England. He was born on 25th December 1642. Philosophia Naturalis or Principia Mathematica is a type of book which was published in the year 1687 by Newton. Newton was known for Newtonian mechanics, universal gravitation, and Newton's law of motion, etc. The first term is motion. Motion means gati in Hindi. Gati. The opposite word of motion is rest. Motion is the change in position of an object with time according to the reference point and a frame of reference. We need to use a reference point and a set of axes in order to specify position. A rectangular coordinate system consists three mutually perpendicular axes labeled X, capital Y and capital Z. The point of intersection of these three axes is called origin, which is denoted by capital O and serves as the reference point. We position a clock in this system to measure time. This coordinate system along with a clock constitutes a frame of reference. When one or more coordinates of an object change with time according to the reference point and a frame of reference, we say that the object is in motion, otherwise rest. For describing motion in one dimension, we need only one axis. For describing motion in two or three dimensions, we need a set of two or three axes. Kinematics, the branch of mechanics in physics which deals with the study of describing motion without going into the causes of motion, is called kinematics. Kinematics means geometry of motion. Kinesis plus matics. Kinesis is a Greek word which means motion or cinema. Cinema means movies, whereas matics means willing, perform, willing to. Kinesiology, the study of human motion, is called kinesiology. फोर्स, बल. फोर्स को हिंदी में बल कहते हैं. बल एक प्रकार का बाह्य कारक है जो किसी गतिशील वस्तु पर आरोपित होकर उसे रोक देता है, विरामावस्था में ला देता है, या विरामावस्था वाली वस्तु पर आरोपित होकर उसे गतिशील कर देता है या ऐसा करने की चेष्टा करता है, बल कहलाता है. ए फोर्स इज ए पुल or push upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. The SI unit of force is Newton, denoted by capital N. 1 Newton equal to 1 kg into meter per second square. Kilogram is denoted by kg, meter is denoted by m, second is denoted by small s. Force is a vector quantity. Vector quantity, a quantity which has both magnitude and direction, is called vector quantity. वेलोसिटी, जिसे हम लोग हिंदी में वेग कहते हैं। द वेलोसिटी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट और ए बॉडी is the rate of change of its position with respect to a frame of reference. It is a vector quantity. SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Dimension of velocity LT minus 1, LT to the power minus 1. Acceleration, जिसे हम लोग त्वरण कहते हैं. The rate at which velocity of an object changes with time is called acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Its unit is meter per second square. Force equal to mass into acceleration. Retardation, opposite of acceleration. Retardation means opposite of acceleration. In another word, we say that retardation is a negative acceleration. Acceleration in opposite direction of the motion is called retardation, or negative acceleration of a body or an object is called retardation. Retardation means deceleration. Laws. In physics, laws mean the scientific laws, which are the description of observed phenomena. Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied force and takes place in the direction in which the force acts. This law refers to the general situation when there is a net external force acting on the body. It relates the net external force to the acceleration of the body. Newton's second law of motion explains the term momentum and impulse. Momentum, samveg. Momentum of a body is defined as the product of its mass and velocity. Momentum is represented by P. Mass is denoted by small m. Velocity is denoted by small v. Momentum equal to mass into velocity. Momentum is a vector quantity. Linear momentum or translational momentum or simple momentum, all are equal in meaning. Unit of momentum equal to kg into meter per second. Dimension of momentum m, l, t to the power minus 1. एंगुलर मोमेंटम, जिसे हम लोग कोणीय संवेग कहते हैं. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया which is denoted by capital I and angular velocity which is denoted by small w is called angular momentum. चित्र के माध्यम से बताया गया है. एक सर्किल है, बीच में उसका सेंटर O है, O से A रेडियस है और बीच में बना हुआ एंगुलर एंगल है. Angular momentum equal to moment of inertia and angular velocity equal to I into W, whereas I inertia equal to mass of electron into r square, radius का whole square. Me means mass of an electron, r means radius, whereas angular velocity equal to v by r. V means linear velocity, whereas r means radius. Now putting the value as envisaged, angular momentum equal to I into W, me into r square into v by r equal to me into r into v. According to Newton's second law of motion, F, force directly proportional to p by t, momentum divided by t. F equal to k into momentum divided by time taken, whereas k is a constant of proportionality. P by t becomes differential coefficient of p with respect to t is denoted by dp divided by dt. Thus F, force equal to k into dp divided by dt for a body of fixed mass m. F equal to dp divided by dt, whereas k equal to 1. Now डी ब्रैकेट में एम वी डिवाइडेड बाय डी टी इक्वल टू एम डी वी m into dv divided by dt, whereas we know that acceleration equal to dv divided by dt. Now we put the value of dv divided by dt in place of a equal to क्या हो गया m into acceleration, f force equal to mass into acceleration, which shows that force is proportional to the product of mass small m एंड एक्सीलरेशन ए। आज यहीं तक, इसी के साथ धन्यवाद।